Welcome to the world of medicinal mushrooms, nature's hidden superfoods. These incredible fungi have been used for centuries in traditional medicine. And today, we're uncovering their amazing health benefits. Medicinal mushrooms come in many varieties, each with its unique properties and benefits. Let's take a closer look at some of the most popular and powerful ones. Reishi, known as the mushroom of immortality, is revered for its ability to boost the immune system, reduce stress, and improve sleep. Rich in triterpenes and polysaccharides, reishi supports overall health and longevity. Chaga, the king of medicinal mushrooms, is a powerful antioxidant. Found on birch trees, chaga helps fight inflammation, supports immune function, and may even help combat cancer cells. Lion's mane is renowned for its cognitive benefits. This unique mushroom stimulates the production of nerve growth factor, enhancing memory, focus, and mental clarity. It's a natural nootropic, boosting brain health. Cordyceps are known for their ability to increase energy and endurance. These mushrooms enhance athletic performance by improving oxygen uptake and increasing ATP production, making them a favorite among athletes. Incorporating medicinal mushrooms into your diet is easy. You can add them to smoothies, teas, soups, and even coffee. Mushroom supplements are also available in powder, capsule, and extract forms. Scientific research supports the health benefits of medicinal mushrooms. Studies show they contain compounds that boost immune function, reduce inflammation, and protect against diseases. Nature's hidden superfoods, medicinal mushrooms, offer a wealth of health benefits. Whether you're looking to boost your immune system, improve brain function, or increase your energy levels, these incredible fungi have something to offer. Discover the power of medicinal mushrooms and unlock nature's secrets for a healthier life. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing content on natural health and wellness. Thanks for watching.